Are you tired of the same old boring hubcaps? Do you want to give your car a touch of personality? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your hubcaps into works of art with a little creativity and effort. Start by filling the holes and cracks in the hubcap with polyurethane foam. Make sure the foam is well distributed and there are no air bubbles. Once the foam is dry, use a putty knife to smooth the surface and remove any excess. You can sand gently if necessary to get a smoother finish. For a rustic, natural touch, consider covering the surface of the hubcap with pieces of rope or thick thread. You can use strong glue to secure the materials and create a textured design. The combination of recycled materials and natural texture will give your hubcaps a unique look. Cover the hubcap with a layer of putty. Make sure the putty is spread out well and there are no lumps. Once the putty is dry, gently sand the surface for a smooth, even finish. Then paint the hubcap in the color of your choice. If you're looking for a more eye-catching effect, you can create a color gradient on your hubcap. Apply different shades of the same color or combine contrasting colors for a striking visual effect. Don't be afraid to experiment and create unique combinations. To give your hubcaps a special touch, you can decorate them with mirrors. Cut the mirrors into hexagon shapes and glue them onto the hubcap. Once the mirrors are dry, clean the hubcap with a mixture of glycerin and W40. This will give it a spectacular shine. Finally, cover the hubcap with a layer of plastic protector to prevent it from getting scratched. Another fun option is to use buttons of different sizes and colors to decorate your hubcaps. You can create geometric patterns, random designs, or even form words or phrases. Buttons are inexpensive and easy to find, and will allow you to customize your hubcaps to the max. And that's it. You now have unique and eye-catching hubcaps that will make your car stand out from the crowd. Have fun customizing your hubcaps and give your car a touch of style. Any of these ideas we mentioned can give your car a unique personality. You just have to choose the one that best represents you. And if not, this guy's idea with the mirrors is a great one. Believe me, this car will not go unnoticed on the street. Tell us in the comments what your first car was and what you did to personalize it. And if you don't have a vehicle yet, tell us what you would like and what you would put on it to make it stand out from the rest. Want to see more DIY tutorials for your car? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss our upcoming videos.